Welcome to How to Play 7 Up. To play, you will need 2 dice, poker chips, and 2 or more players. Each player is given 20 poker chips to start the game. The object of the game is to not be the first player to lose all your chips. Chips are lost to the middle pot based on how far off your dice roll amount is to 7. Wade will start this game by rolling both dice. The amount rolled is 8. This is compared to the target number of 7. 8 is 1 away from 7, so Wade will put 1 chip into the middle pot. Play moves to Diana to roll next. Diana rolls a 5, which is 2 off of 7, and will put 2 chips into the middle pot. Players will continue to take turns rolling. If a player rolls a 7, they get to take 7 chips from the middle pot. If there are less than 7 chips in the pot, the player will take as many chips as there are in the pot. When a player loses all their chips to the middle pot, that player is declared the loser of the game. Wade loses his last chip into the middle pot and is the loser of this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play 7 Up and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.